Okay, everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at flickreviewers.com. Is it a legit way to earn $150 reviewing Netflix movies, or just another online scam? Just a quick disclaimer, everything I share here is based on research and my personal opinion. Always do your own due diligence before jumping into any online opportunity. So, flickreviewers.com claims you can get paid $40 per movie review and potentially make up to $150 by reviewing Netflix content. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. There is no real connection between flickreviewers.com and Netflix. According to Scam Detector's validator, flickreviewers.com scores extremely low on trustworthiness, only 13.2 out of 100, flagging it as a risky and untrustworthy. Malware Tips confirms that the site has no actual Netflix job openings. Instead, it's a scam designed to lure people into an affiliate marketing funnel. Clicking around on this site can lead you to giving away your personal information and even getting trapped in recurring monthly credit card charges. The job is fake and you won't get hired by Netflix through this site. Remember, real Netflix jobs only appear on the official Netflix jobs page. Avoid unsolicited emails or ads promoting easy money for movie reviews, and never download software or apps from suspicious sources. Be especially cautious with free trial offers requiring your credit card details that later charge you monthly. Flickreviewers.com is a scam. Don't fall for the Netflix movie reviewer gig, it's not legit and can cost you money and personal data. Stick to verified job listings and don't trust offers that sound too good to be true. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more scam alerts and legit money-making tips. Got questions or experiences with flickreviewers.com? Drop them in the comments below. Stay safe and see you in the next one.